Okay, so I wanted to show you a quick video on how you can create instructional videos using Camtasia Studio. This is a program I've been using for a while, so I'll highly recommend this to anyone who wants to do these videos. So the first thing to do is to go to techsmith.com or just search for Camtasia Studio or go to this URL, and you're going to get into a screen like this and click on the free trial. Now that will give you 30 days free trial, and it's it's a very good investment if you decide to keep this. So if you have Windows machine, click on the Windows download or Mac download. And once you do that, go through all the steps of installing Camtasia on your PC. And you should see an icon on your desktop. Click on that icon, and once you click on it, you should see something like this. And in this case, you can click on the red record the screen, which will give you a control which allows me to record the screen. So at the moment, I'm recording the screen. So let's say that I have a presentation. So I open up the presentation. Notice that it's recording the screen now. So I'll go into the presentation mode, and I'm going through the presentation. If you like, this is a PowerPoint presentation. If you want to use your mouse to annotate, you can use the mouse to annotate, or you can use the stylus. So I can go through various parts of the presentation, highlight them, and use whatever the tools that are provided to you. Like you can use highlighters to show certain things, and you can go through this process of recording it. Once it's done, then what you need to do is press F10. So you have to press the key F10 to stop the video. So to stop the video, you press the key F10. So I'm going to press F10 now. So once you press F10, you should see your recorded video here and the controls, save and edit and produce and delete. So the only things I typically use are either save and edit. If I like the clip, I will play the clip with these controls. If I like the clip, I'll keep it. Otherwise, I will delete it and re-record it. And that's an important part there. So suppose I'm happy with the clips I did. So in this case, I'm showing you Camtasia Studio with 2 clips. They're already in here, and I can go through these clips by dragging the slider. So this is the end of clip 1, and this is the end of clip 2. So if I want to move the clips, I can move them by using the mouse. It's pretty easy to do. And if I want to say I want to delete from here to here, what I need to do is move the slider here and right mouse click and say split all, and then move the mouse, move the slider over to here, right mouse click and say split. And so now I have things that are splitted into pieces. So what I need to do is I need to take the audio and the video and then right click and say delete. And so that'll take care of those clips. And then I'll select all these things and move them closer to that. So essentially what I have done is to edited the video by doing that. So when you're happy with it, you can now produce the video for publishing. To do that, what I usually do is I go here, produce and share, and then I go into the, I like to do this at the 720 MP4. It has options like publish to YouTube and all that, but I like to keep a local copy, so I'm going to just use that. MP4 Smart Player up to 720. Click Next and give it a name. Let's call this my video. And then click on Finish. It's going to put this in this folder. So when you're done, if you want to find where this video is, it's going to be in the Users Guna documents. So go to your documents and go to Camtasia Studio, wherever the Camtasia Studio is, and then you put that. If you like to change it, you can always change it by putting this on desktop or someplace. That's possible. And then click on finish, and it's going to go through the process of creating the videos. Now you can see it's rendering the video. Uh, it's done up to 15%, 16%. So let's pause a little bit. I'm going to go quiet until this is done. All right, so it's done, and it's going to show you that it's completed its process. All this information, all you have to do is just click on finish. And now how do I find this? To find it, I go to my documents folder and go to Camtasia Studio, and then this is the one. So it would have created a folder with my videos. So if you look at the MP4 file, this is the file. Now I will go and maybe upload it to YouTube. So if I want to put this on YouTube, what I'll do is I'll go to YouTube, um, and then I'm on my account, click on upload right here, and then look for files to upload. So I go to my Camtasia folder. Actually, I will go back to my documents folder here, Camtasia Studio, my video, and I'll choose the MP4 file and upload it. And while you're uploading, you can complete all of the information you need. So I'm going to call this how to use Camtasia Studio, and this video provides an introduction to Camtasia Studio, introduction to creating instructional videos using Camtasia Studio. So I will keep it public, and then I'll click on here, publish, and this is the video I'm in fact going to share with you. So the rest of the stuff is YouTube. You can add it to a playlist, or if you're using Salon, you can put this on Salon after you put it on YouTube. Good luck with your efforts to create good instructional videos.